Hi guys, welcome to this channel. So you know how you could just stay and start thinking, oh, what kind of gift can I give to B, or what kind of gift can I give to Boo? Well, this is how in this video I'll be giving you some solid gift ideas that you could give to the elderly. So you know how it's the responsibility of the younger ones to take care of the elderly. So in case you haven't known what to give, you're asking, oh, what can I give to this person as an elderly person? Come close. No, just come close, let me tell you. So the first gift idea which I feel you could give an elderly person, you know, apart from getting them foodstuffs and, you know, which is necessary, and getting them garments like clothes, some good shoes and some good flats that they could wear. Those are general things we could do. So the first thing you could give an elderly person, and I say this all the time, it is quite necessary, is gifting them a blood pressure monitor. The older one gets, the more the person needs to monitor his blood pressure. So if you want to gift an elderly person something, give them a blood pressure monitor. There are so many blood pressure monitors around. I know you'll be asking now, which one can I give them? Well, if you want to know which blood pressure monitor you could get for them, that will be easier for them and for you to understand, you should consult a pharmacist on getting a very good blood pressure monitor for an elderly person. So the second one I would be advising anyone to get as a gift for an elderly person is, especially if you know the elderly person has diabetes, you could give them a blood sugar meter. Blood sugar meter used to check their blood glucose levels, and you know, so that they could keep everything in check and make sure that they are okay and more healthy every day. You could give them a blood sugar meter and at the same time teach them how it's being used, why it is necessary to have it. Also, in order to get a good blood sugar meter and to know how to use it, I'd advise you to consult a pharmacist for that. So the third gift which you could get for the elderly is getting them on a good health insurance plan. Now, there are so many health insurance plans as well as so many health management organizations. I think I'll be giving a talk on that in my next video. So if I were you, I would hit the subscribe button down below. The subscribe button is somewhere, either here or here. It's somewhere below this video. Hit the subscribe button as well as hit the notification bell so that when that video comes up, you would be the first to know about that video. And just to get you guys, so that you can know the different health management organizations that are present in Nigeria and get the elderly on a good health insurance plan. Because why not? This idea I'm giving you is the final one. It's what I feel you could get for the elderly, is consulting their doctor on a supplement you could get for them. Supplements are good for everybody, both old and young. You know, supplements help to boost immunity, it helps to boost cardiovascular health, and at the same time, it helps to improve one nutritional basis. So just to get them, you know, to make their body feel good and feel all right and reduce the stress and anxiety that they feel as one gets older, you could just consult a pharmacist for a good supplement to get for the elderly. I hope these ideas are worth it, and I hope you enjoy these ideas, and I hope you take them to heart and consider which one you could get for the elderly. So till my next video, see you guys. Bye-bye.